Assalamualaikum, Tajahau, Hidia Baringa, Wanakam. My name is Muhammad Ajawai. Today, we will present the topic about reed switch. Alright. This is a reed switch. This switch is usually like a switch. You have a drawbridge, which means the bridge, if we take the bridge up, means there's no current flow, and then the circuit will be turning off. When the bridge is going down, and then there's a current flow between them, that means the circuit is switching, turning on. Basically, that's a fundamental idea for a switch. But for reed switch, actually, we wanted to a circuit or something that we like when it's closed and then the circuit is off, or when it's open and then the circuit is on. That's where the reed switch coming to the rescue. Alright. So in reed switch, there's a two contacts are made from a ferromagnetic material. Ferromagnetic material is a material that is easy to magnetize, like an iron. For example, nickel iron alloy. This is one of the example of the metal that is easy to magnetize. And also inside a reed switch, there's a seal, a thin glass envelope with an unreactive gas. This one is to keep from the dust or dirt inside the reed switch. That's the function of the gas inside there. Usually we'll be using the nitrogen gas because nitrogen gas is very unreactive. Alright. So reed switch actually got the two variable, which means it's normally open and normally closed. So they do not only but also magnetize flow through them as well as electricity. Means when the reed switch is contact to each other, it's just not electricity that flow in the two contactor, which means it's also magnetize the magnet and also the magnetic field inside the reed switch. Alright, the next one is the working principle of a normally open and normally closed switch. I will pass to my friend Shaki Imam to continue this slide.
Okay. Next, I will tell you about the two main varieties of reed switch. Okay, firstly is normally open. It's made normally switch off. And if you see in the slide, there is picture 1 and 2. At the picture 2, as you bring a magnet up to the reed switch, the entire switch eventually become a part of a magnetic circuit that include the magnet. Then the two contact of the reed switch become opposite magnetic poles, which is why they attract and snap together. Okay, next is normally closed. Okay, as you see the slide, the picture 1 and 2. Okay, at the picture 2, when the two contacts are normally snapped together, and when you bring a magnet up to the switch, it's spring apart, and electricity flow through them most of the time. And the easiest way of making one is to take a normally open switch and fix a magnet permanently to its glass case. It means flipping it over from its open to its closed state.
Okay, now I will continue with the application of the reed switch. First, the application that use reed switch is security and alarm system. That is door and window alarm. Reed switch is attached to the frame of the door or the frame of the window. Then the attracting magnet is attached at the moving door or moving window. When the moving door is open, the magnet will flow the signal and the buzzer will activate it. For the second application is clamshell phone. At the clamshell phone has a normally closed reed switch in the lower part of the body that is keypad, and the magnet is at the upper part of the phone, that is where it is screen. And when the phone is open, the magnet will the circuit will be in a closed position, and the current will flow and activate the phone. When the phone is closed, the magnet will swing to the reed switch and push apart the contact inside the reed switch, and it will surely switch off the power in orderly way. That's all from the application, and I will pass to my friend.
Alright, now we continue to hide advantages of the reed switch. So the advantages for the reed switch. First is high reliability and durability, able to work and function for multiple times before failing, which means because of the close contact of the reed switch, mean it can be using at any time before it's malfunction, because we can make it close open several times, a billion times, and then it start malfunctioning. The second advantages is it can work in variety voltages, loads and frequency, because this reed switch is only closed and open when there's a magnet inside there. So it doesn't matter how much voltage or how much load or how much frequency that we need to close and open the reed switch, because this is just only close and off when there's a magnet. And then the third advantages for the reed switch is less electrical resistance due to close contact, which means the close contact is because the reed switch is inside the sealed tube with the unreactive glass, so it's less resistant due to it. So it's done. The electrical resistance doesn't affect the load inside the reed switch. And then lastly, the seal construction make it operate in a explosive environment, like I said before, because inside the reed switch got the unreactive glass. So when it's open and closed, it doesn't create any sparks or any flame that can make trigger to any flammable working area. Alright, that's all the advantages, and then this is the end of the slide. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.